I was asking my husband, what is pizza called in his language? So in my language, my Somali language, we don't have anything that says pizza in Somali. And then he said they don't have the same. It's the same. They don't have it too. But you sure, baby?
Baby, there's no pizza in Ashanti language. It's alien food. I told you.
So you see, in English they say, I don't know if it's English or I don't know where it come from, pizza, but there is no meaning for it in Somali, and also Ashanti. There's no meaning for it. I wonder if any other person thinks otherwise. See if we have pizza. Yes.
Why you have makeup?
You mean my lipstick? He means my lipstick. So what else was I saying? I was saying, how do you say in English? Flower?
Oh, yeah. Oh, flower?
Flower. Not the flower from the tree, baby.
Oh, like a flower.
Flour, yeah. You
baking
baking flour. So that one we have in my language, so we call it burr, right? How about yours?
Oh, it's some.
It's some in Ashanti. It's some. That's what it's called. No, I was